Australian-based Fortescue, a major player in green energy, metals, and technology, has announced the opening of a U.S. advanced manufacturing center in Detroit, Michigan. This is a significant step for the electric vehicle and green technology sectors, and a clear action that highlights Michigan's leadership in electric vehicles and future transportation. As the birthplace of the Model T, the former Ford Piquette Avenue plant in Detroit, Michigan, is set to be revitalized by Fortescue. It will be transformed into a center for the production of hydrogen generators, rapid chargers, electrolyzers, and batteries for heavy industries and automobiles. By 2030, the entire facility should be completely operational, with the first battery line planned to be built in early 2025. Up to 600 manufacturing and engineering jobs could be created by the project. Having already spent $35 million toward its construction and renovation, Fortescue is expected to make additional investments after the Advanced Manufacturing Center is fully operational. Support and incentives for the project, including a $9 million performance-based grant from the Michigan Business Development Program, have been approved by the Michigan Strategic Fund, which includes a $1.3 million 15-year 100% exemption from the State Essential Services Assessment. Through an industrial facilities tax abatement and the local element of the Brownfield Work Plan, the City of Detroit is also providing support. The ambitions of Michigan for future mobility and electric vehicle production are in line with Fortescue's strategy. Through the project's reactivation of a brownfield site that was contaminated and a vacant property, the state will see future growth and investment. With locations in Australia and the United Kingdom, the company is already involved in the development and production of batteries and zero-emission powertrains. Teresa Lee for Skillings.